Shopify app development tutorial. In this video, we're going to be talking about Shopify and its app development handle. Okay, now most of you people who use Shopify clearly know that there are applications in Shopify that you can add, connect, and obviously use as great integrations with great features. So, how can you become an app developer? What you're going to do is you're going to come to shopify.dev/docs/apps. So, this section basically allows you to build apps for Shopify. Now, it's going to give you new Shopify functions, user interface extensions, and meta objects that you can use for yourself. It's pretty incredible, and you can actually sell these apps on Shopify and get a lot of money off of it. So you can start building right now. If you want to set all of this up, you can build great e-commerce apps depending on whatever your genre or category of creation is. But if you're not relevant or if you're not good with creating all of these, you can actually hire an expert. You can hire an expert to create an application for you, which is pretty incredible, right? Because there are tons and tons of Shopify app developing experts that you can hire to actually help you in creating something good, okay? And trust me, there are a lot of benefits for hiring a developer, okay? It gives you stuff like professional expertise, you have resource expenses, time and cost savings, you have overhead expenses, skill gap expenses, project delays, quality assurance cost, lack of scalability, customized solutions, and a whole lot more. So there's a lot of ways on how a Shopify developer can help you save a lot of time, money, effort. Okay. So, yeah, that's why you should hire a Shopify app developer if you want to develop a Shopify app. That is, if you don't know how to develop yourself. So, yeah, now before signing off, please do make sure to check the link down in the description below if you want to go ahead and develop some apps and if you want to use some Shopify app developers. But yeah, that's pretty much about it from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.